Lindsey's Office Furniture is proud to present to you Oliver Gibbs Law Firm. We've done all of the common areas and conferencing areas and collaboration areas here at Oliver Gibbs Law Firm. What we're seeing now is a Xero conference table surrounded by global Accord chairs. They were able to pick every single design feature that you see in here, and we're able to make this conference room just spectacular for those multi-million-dollar deals that Oliver Gibbs Law Firm works on, and they would love to be your dirt guys, so check them out. This is a buffet that you're seeing that goes right underneath the television in the room. This is for their conferencing equipment and all of their drinks and snacks and everything to go in. It's a great addition to this beautiful room with all of the artwork and all the global products that you see in this video. The finishes were picked out by their designer, Lindsey Justice, which is just a great designer. And as you can see, we did multiple areas. This is more of a collaboration area where they come in and they talk to their clients and they talk to their vendors about every little aspect of all of their dirt law that they do. This is just a phenomenal area for them. And as you can see, we're going to go through a few more areas of their office. So stay tuned and take a peek behind the closed curtains behind Oliver Gibbs and all of their success and what they've done with their furniture here. Moving from some of the collaboration areas into their reception and lobby areas, you see these global Wind Series seats. These are with high traffic, high density fabrics that you can do 2 million double rubs on, so you'll never have to worry about that fade or that cracking of that leather or the vinyl. This is all high grade, high end commercial products that'll last a lifetime here at Lindsey's Office Furniture.